Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best cable extension kit is probably one of the most essential upgrades for Harley motorcycle customization. Whether you're swapping handlebars, installing a fairing, or simply seeking a cleaner look, extending your cables is a must. This kit ensures your throttle, clutch, and brake cables reach their new destinations without compromising performance or safety, allowing you to achieve the perfect fit and finish for your ride. Number 5. Burly Brand Black 14A Hanger Kit B30-1004. Looking to upgrade your motorcycle? This kit is the perfect solution. It includes everything needed for a clean and professional installation. This kit comes with cables, brake lines, and wiring. It has everything you need to install the 14A hanger handlebars. This makes the installation process much easier. The kit features a sleek black finish. It will give your bike a custom look. It's designed to match most motorcycle styles. Installation is straightforward with this kit. It's designed for ease of use. You'll be back on the road in no time. This kit is made by Burly brand. You can trust the quality and durability. It's built to last and withstand the rigors of the road. What we like. This kit offers everything you need for a complete installation. It's designed for easy setup, saving you time and effort. If you're looking for a hassle-free upgrade with durable components, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Perfect length for my application. It takes some doing to install, but everything seems to be well made. Worked great and did their job. Came with washers and everything necessary. Used with 14-inch bar install on 2018 iron 883. Cable kit worked out good with no fabrication. Number 4. Burly B30-1012 Cable Brake Line Kit. This kit is designed for 14A hanger handlebars. It includes everything you need for a complete installation. It's a comprehensive solution for your motorcycle. The kit features a high-quality braided steel brake line. This ensures durability and reliable braking performance. You can trust it for safety. It also comes with an extended clutch cable. This is essential for proper function with taller handlebars. This ensures smooth clutch operation. The kit includes extended throttle cables as well. These are designed to work seamlessly with the new handlebar setup. They provide optimal throttle response. All necessary wiring is included in the kit. This simplifies the installation process. It's designed for easy integration. This product is made in the United States. It's built with quality and precision. You can rely on its craftsmanship. The package dimensions are 5.7 by 44.9 by 43.9 centimeters. It weighs approximately 5 pounds. The size is suitable for shipping. What we like. This kit features a braided steel brake line for enhanced performance and safety. It includes extended clutch and throttle cables, ensuring a perfect fit. If you prioritize quality and reliability with components made in the USA, you should consider this. What people say. High-quality cabling with Teflon nylon-coated steel traded cables. This kit went on an 08 FXSTB with Biltwell 12-foot risers and a Biltwell tracker bar. Overall height was 13 foot, and you still have plenty of cabling to go to taller T-bars, or apes. Number 3. Burly Brand Black 12A Hanger Kit B30-1008. This kit includes all the wiring needed for installing Burly Brand 12A hanger handlebars. It's designed to make your installation process easier and more efficient. The kit comes with a black vinyl brake line, an extended clutch cable, and extended throttle cables. Everything you need is included in this kit. This kit is specifically designed to work with Burly Brand 8 hanger handlebars. Please note that it may not fit handlebars from other manufacturers due to dimensional differences. The Burly Brand Cable Brake Kit Wiring Kit is proudly made in the USA. You can trust the quality and craftsmanship of this product. With this kit, you'll have everything you need for a smooth and straightforward installation. It's designed to simplify the process and get you back on the road quickly. What we like. This kit is specifically designed to work with Burly Brand 8 hanger handlebars. It includes a black vinyl brake line and all necessary wiring. If you're upgrading with Burly brand handlebars and want a reliable, USA-made kit, choose this one. What people say. Put 12-inch apes and really didn't need the throttle cables and clutch cables. I used extension for wiring and the brake cable. But still I have extra cables now just in case, but product very good. They are a little longer than expected, but still look clean and worked perfectly. The kit had all the parts that is needed to complete the upgrade. Number 2. WeiSen Handlebar Extension Kit for Harley Touring 07-13. Tired of cramped riding positions? This kit is designed to extend your handlebars. It makes your ride more comfortable and enjoyable. This kit is compatible with Harley Touring models from 2007 to 2013, including Electra Glide, Street Glide, Road Glide, and Road King. It also fits Tri-Glide full-cut models from 2009 to 2013. The wires in this kit can accommodate handlebars up to 16 inches in rise. This gives you plenty of flexibility for customization. Installation is a breeze with the plug-and-play design. No cutting is required, simply remove the pins from the factory plug and add the extensions. The kit includes all necessary parts, including electronic throttle by-wire extension wires. It also comes with clear installation instructions to guide you through the process. The package includes a hand control wire extension kit, an electronic throttle by-wire extension kit, and heat shrink tubing. Everything you need for a successful installation is provided. What we like. This kit boasts a plug-and-play design, simplifying the installation process. It includes an electronic throttle by-wire extension, making it compatible with various Harley models. If you value ease of installation and wide compatibility, you should consider this. What people say. The plug-and-play harness was great for extending the wiring to install my new bars. The kit comes with wires and the sleeves to cover the connections. Even if the colors are a little off, it's still an excellent product. Number 1. Burly brand black 12-ape hanger kit B30-1007. This is a complete cable and brake line kit from Burly brand. It's designed to give your bike a custom look with ape hanger handlebars. This kit has everything you need for a clean installation. The kit features a sleek black finish. It's designed to match your bike's aesthetic and provide a durable, long-lasting look. This finish will resist wear and tear. This kit is specifically designed for 12-inch ape hanger handlebars. It provides the correct length cables and brake lines. It ensures a perfect fit and function. The kit includes all necessary cables and brake lines. It also includes any required fittings. Everything is included for a straightforward installation. The kit is designed for easy installation. It's a great way to upgrade your bike's look and feel. You'll be enjoying the new handlebars in no time. What we like. This auto accessory provides a complete solution for your motorcycle upgrade needs. It offers easy installation, saving you time and effort. If you're looking for a convenient and comprehensive kit, this is a great option. What people say. A very complete kit. Came with everything needed to install. Instructions were a little vague, referencing OE owner's manual for certain cable installation procedures, but the electrical side was super simple. Worked out perfectly. The wiring extensions were particularly easy to hook up. Order the kit. Best thing I did was easy to install everything I needed. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.